everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties, our YouTube channel. Today we bring to you row villas in the north of Bangalore in a gated community which is spread about 7 acres and it's got about 94 row houses. They come in configurations of 3 and 4 BHKs, and that is the elevation of the row houses that you see on the screen. The row villa that I'm going to cover today is a 4 BHK. It's a G+2 structure. It's got one car park. We zoom in and show you the car park. That's a single car park, and that's the main entrance to the villa, to the row villa in fact. And the super built up of this is around 2,500 square feet, a little over 2,500 square feet, and an undivided share of land. You get it around 2,000 square feet, a little over 2,000 square feet. So now let's walk in and show you the 4 BHK G+2 structure. That's the main entrance to the row house. It's one level up, and that's the main door. It's got a window on the side, a fixed panel window. And now let's walk you inside and show you how the villa and the ground floor is spread out. That's how the ground floor, the living area, is spread out. That the moment we enter into the row house. That's the living area right in front of you. And then it's stepped, and then we go one level down to the dining and the kitchen. That's the dining area, and that's one level down from the living, and it's got a wooden finished tiles, and the dining opens out to a backyard. Let's walk you and show you how the backyard is. Decent sized backyard for kitchen garden, or maybe you can even have a few chairs with a table and have a breakfast counter there. That's the view of the dining from the backyard. That's the dining, and that's one level up. You have the living area. That's the main door where we entered in from, and which has got a window, a fixed window with a little bit of a skylight opening there. And you could see they put in some plants, like you can have an indoor garden. That is the region that I'm talking about. That's an opening which runs all across till the roof, and they have a sunlight opening there, a closed opening actually. And then that's the main entrance once again, and to the left of the main entrance is the bedroom number 1 on the ground floor, and with a common powder room which is just before we enter into the bedroom, which we'll show you in a little while. And then right here besides the dining to the left is the kitchen. That's the kitchen. It's a open kitchen, a semi-open kitchen I would rather say it, with a breakfast counter. Let me walk you into the kitchen and show you how it is spread out. That's the breakfast counter with a window which looks and opens out into the backyard. Those are cabinets, and that's where you have your refrigerator and oven, and that is where you will have your hob. Now from the kitchen. So the best thing is we've not turned on any lights in this villa right now, and it's almost about 5:30 p.m. and you could see the amount of light that is coming into the villa. So this is all natural light. This is why we didn't want to turn on any of these artificial lights. And now we take a step up and we are onto the living, and then we head towards the bedroom number 1 on the ground floor, or the guest bedroom, and before that is the powder room. In fact, it's a full-fledged bathroom with a shower cubicle and a toilet seat and a WC as well. So now we walk into the bedroom number 1. They've given these 3 slit windows, ensuring a maximum amount of light into the villa, into the room in fact. A quick view of the guest bedroom from the other end. That's the bed and that's the wardrobe. And now we head out of bedroom number 1. And I repeat, this is a G+2 structure, a 4-bedroom house. A house which is located in the north of Bangalore on the Hennur Bengaluru road, also called the New Airport Road. And these are the stairs. It's got stainless steel handrails with toughened glass, thickened toughened glass, and they've got a skylight opening. As you could see that ensures a lot of light into the villa. These are row houses. Now we are on to the first floor of the row house, and it's got a living area, a private living area, a family area. That's the garden area which I showed you, the indoor garden, which is right below a skylight, which I'll show you in some time. And this floor has got 2 bedrooms, one on the left and one on the right. Now we walk you into bedroom number 2 on the right. Also the children's bedroom. This room's got wooden laminate flooring. And that's how the room is spread out and the interior is done. It's got a balcony attached. The balcony overlooks the backyard. This also gives you a nice view of the backyard. You could have nice gardening there or green cover. We show you the kids' bedroom from the balcony, and that is how it is. A quick glance all around. And to the left, there is the walk-in wardrobe with an attached toilet and a bath. Now we head out of the children's bed and back to the private family living area on the first floor. One of the highlights for this is, for me at least, is the skylight. As you could see, there's a huge skylight which is ensuring a lot of natural light into the row houses. And that's a small internal garden, which is that's a small internal garden which is just besides the main door, which I showed you when we were on the ground floor. And now let's walk you into bedroom number 3. This is bedroom number 3. This room also has a balcony attached. These are under construction villas which will take about 6 months or something for handover. There's some amount of construction activity still going on. We turn around and show you the bedroom from the other end, from the balcony. This room's got a wardrobe attached, walk-in wardrobe. And that's the attached toilet and a bathroom. Now we head out from the bedroom number 3. This room has also got wooden laminate flooring, which I missed pointing out. And now from the bedroom number 3, we head out and head up to the floor number 2. And now we are on floor number 2. It's a ground plus 2 structure. That's again another private living area. This floor gets the maximum amount of sunlight, and as you could see that in the video clearly. See, that's the skylight. And there is one bedroom on this floor and the master bed with an open deck, or even you could even call the terrace, whatever you think it is. So let's walk you into bedroom number 4. That's bedroom number 4 with an attached balcony. That's the attached balcony with the wooden laminate flooring. The balcony has got wooden field tiles. And overlooks the backyard. That's the access to the property and the neighborings around the property. Now we head back into the bedroom number 4 and show you the view from the balcony. It's got wooden laminate flooring as well. With a walk-in wardrobe closet and an attached toilet and a bath. Now we head out from bedroom number 4. And walk you to the open deck or the terrace. That's the terrace, and the terrace has got one room, which is an additional room. And this room is also attached with the toilet. And that is the view that the terrace has to offer. So hope you've liked the video. And I repeat again, a quick summary of a recap of the row houses. These are located in the north of Bangalore on the new airport road, Hennur, Bengaluru also. It's off Hennur, Bengaluru road. And these come in a gated community of 7 acres, which has got about 94 row houses. And they come in 3 and 4 BHK configurations. These are under construction properties but very close to completion. And hope you've liked the video and the home tour that we've shown you today. For further details, and if you want to buy something like this, you've got to call on the numbers below. Thank you so much, and keep liking and subscribing to our videos, because we take in a lot of efforts of finding good properties and covering them for you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.